In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create basic shapes in CapCut PC. Whether you're designing a simple graphic, enhancing your video project, or just experimenting with creative concepts, knowing how to add and customize shapes is a fundamental skill. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, so by the end you'll be able to create and modify shapes like a pro, and even add animations to make them pop. If you're new to CapCut, be sure to stick around for all the tips and tricks to streamline your workflow. And if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download and get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and take a look at the workspace. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the media library. This is where all your imported clips, images, and other assets are stored. From here, select one of the colored background clips. Think of this as the canvas for your shape. It's the base layer that everything else will sit on. Once you've chosen a background, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll build and edit your project. Now, click on the background clip in your timeline to make sure it's selected. This step is really important because any changes you make will apply specifically to the clip you've highlighted. With the background selected, look over to the toolbar on the right side of your screen. Here you'll find a variety of editing tools. Locate the mask option. It might appear as a shape icon or be clearly labeled mask, depending on your version of the software. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Take a moment to explore the toolbar and you'll find it. Once you've clicked on the mask tool, a list of masking options will appear. Select the rectangle option. This will create a rectangular frame on your background clip. Now this rectangle will act as the starting point for your shape. Using the handles around the rectangle, you can resize and reposition the shape to fit your design. Drag the corners or edges with your mouse to adjust its dimensions. If you want to create a perfect square instead of a rectangle, simply make sure the width and height numbers match. Take your time here. Adjusting the shape precisely will help give your project a clean and polished look. Next, it's time to customize the color of your shape. Navigate to the mask settings or the basic tab for the clip you're working on. This is where you'll find the color adjustment options. You can use the sliders to tweak the color or select a new solid color directly from the palette. This step allows you to match the color of the shape with the overall theme of your project, whether you're going for something bold and vibrant or subtle and minimalistic. And now, let's take your shape to the next level by adding some animation. While your mask clip is still selected, head over to the animation section. Here, you'll find different options to bring your shape to life. If you want the shape to appear dynamically when the video starts, choose one of the in animations. Alternatively, if you'd like the shape to fade or exit creatively at the end, explore the out animations. Adding animation is completely optional, but it can give your project a more dynamic and engaging feel. Experiment with different effects until you find one that fits your vision. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create and customize basic shapes in CapCut PC, from setting a background to adjusting the shape's size, color, and even adding animations. This technique is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of creative projects. If you have any questions or want to share how you've used this skill in your own videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.